A very wonderful and delighted morning to all. Welcome you here in today's presentation. As you know that due to pandemic we all are staying at home and mostly we depend upon computer, internet and all those technologies. So today I'm going to discuss some of the points that are related to the internet and all those electronic gadgets. We should have knowledge regarding cyber security, that is action against cybercrime. So we should aware about all these cyber gadgets like computer, laptop or anything else whatever we are using. So internet and smart gadgets are now integral part of our lives. We depend upon for our most of the work on computer. We do our study, we do business or we do whatever if we want to go anywhere, you can easily find out those places on computer or through internet. So these are the important part of our lives. So let me discuss with you in brief about the benefits. These are very much beneficial for our social skills, internet safety, literacy, maths, homeschool. Homeschool, as you people are now staying at home most of the time and you are doing study and all the teachers are giving you instructions through the online classes only, and that would be possible only through the internet and all those services. So there would be a global connection between all of us. So it would be authentic audience. So for that we should follow some rules. That means today we are going to communicate with others through the internet only. If we want to talk to our neighbors or anybody else, we avoid to move outside. We want to remain inside but still we want some social relationship. That is why internet is very important. But side by side there are some risk management process. What is that? For that we have to find out, identify the risk and we have to assess the risk. What is the amount of that, how much is it dangerous for us, how can we control those risks, and what are the review controls or panels that how can we rectify those. For those things we should know about the first risk. These kinds of risks include in the cybercrime as hacking, denial of service attack, virus, computer vandalism, cyber terrorism, software piracy. So all are depend upon the human thinking, what we are thinking, what we are going on the computer. If we are doing positive thing, then it would be helpful. If we are doing any wrong thing, then it would be treated as crime. So it is known as cyber crime. Let me discuss with you some of the small points like hacking. Hacking in small terms means an illegal intrusion into computer system or network. So that by that way you can hack password of anybody's computer or any network. Similarly, computer vandalism, damaging or destroying data rather than stealing. So you are damaging the data of the other person. Next is virus, that software attach itself to other software. By that way, any bad software or any wrong software attach itself to the others through virus or worms by damaging the data of other person. Whatever be there that is in the computer. So for that you should be more secure. You should follow all the security services. So cyber security is everyone's responsibility. So we should go hand in hand to sort out all those problems. Now I am giving you some of the cyber security responsibility factors, that it is a branch of computer security related to the internet. It's established to establish rules and a measure to use against attacks over the internet. So it's our responsibility to safeguard our whole data. So we have to secure our password. We should use strong password for all. We should follow safety tips for cybercrime. Use antivirus softwares, insert firewalls, uninstall unnecessary software, maintain backup, check up security settings, choose a genderless screen name. So you should be more aware about all these safety tips that you should be more secure and safe. It is in our hands that we have to be updated our knowledge all the time. So advantages, by that way we can defend us from critical attacks, we can browse the safe websites if we have knowledge what is good for us but what is bad for us. So we should know pros and cons of all the factors before doing any work. So whatever be the incoming or outgoing data on our computer, we should have an eye on it so that we can be more secure. So this is also, you know, that Google Meet. As you know that nowadays we are going to study on Google Meet classes. We are doing Google Meet classes. So for that we should have some etiquettes. We should mute ourselves, be on time. You have to turn on the video so that other can see you, whether you are present or not. You have to be prepared, sit still, be respectful, find a quiet space, raise your hand to talk. No eating there should be. So these all are the Google Meet etiquettes that you should follow. I hope you will follow all these instructions so that you can be more secure. So at the end, I must say that technology is destructive only in the hands of people who do not realize that they are the one and the same as the universe. So we should respect the global solutions. We should follow all the rules and regulation regarding all the technology so that we should be more constructive rather than destructive. So kindly have your safety first. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for all and have a good day.